everyone, so today I have for you this dramatic spring look. It was super simple and there's not a lot of steps to achieve this. There's not a lot to say. Enjoy the video. My eyes are primed with concealer, set with a little bit of translucent powder, and we're good to go. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to be picking up this pink shade on a flat, dense brush. This one is a Morphe JH41 and it's a blend of synthetic and natural hair bristles. Place that on my lid. I haven't gone in with any other shadows on my lid. We're just going straight for it today. And you don't have to really pack it on just yet. I just want to get an even placement. Then taking just a blending brush. I want to say it has nothing on it. I did run it on a paper towel, but who knows. Blend right above with my eyes open because my eyes are hooded. So the shadow will look different when my eyes are open than when it's closed. And I care more about how it looks when they're open. So this is just a good way to see. It doesn't have to be blended perfectly. Just diffusing it, and then we're working from the bottom up. I'm gonna zoom you guys out a little bit. On an even fluffier brush, I'm gonna pick up this pink shade and I'm gonna help diffuse the color even more. This is like my transition color. Then I'm picking up the lightest shade in the palette and using that to highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna use this deep purple shade. It almost looks black, and I'm gonna use that to smoke out my lash line just to add some depth, and this will help when I go in with lashes later on. If you brought the color too high, what you can do is pick up the brush you used to apply your lid shade and tap that over the liner and it'll help blend it out. So to be honest, I want dewy skin, but like not too dewy today. And I want a lot of I don't want a lot of coverage, but I want coverage. Let's try mixing foundations. I'm gonna mix the NARS Sheer Glow foundation and then the MAC Face and Body. We're gonna see what happens. A little bit of MAC, like a dollop of NARS. Mixing together. I think I found my new favorite foundation combo. Just going in with concealer. And then I'm going to be smoking out the lower lash line quite a bit, so I don't have to worry about taking the concealer too high up. I will just feather it in so that there's a little bit of a base down for the shadow, but I'm not too worried about covering it. All I really care about is sort of this inner region right here. And I'm also sort of using the concealer to give my eyeshadow more of a rounded shape, because I definitely struggle with that. Then I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna use a cream bronzer. What's new? I'm going to use the slightest bit of cream contour, just going in with the Tarte Pro Glow palette. I'm going to finish up the eyes and then we'll finish the face. Doing things in a weird order today, I just feel like it. I'm going to pick up the Rockin' Rebel palette. On the end of an Anastasia brush, I'm going to pick up that green shade. Oops. I'm going to stamp that on my lower lash line. I'm going to use the fluffy side of the brush with literally no product on it to fluff this out, smoke it out, whatever word you want to use. I'm going to use a little bit of translucent powder to help blend this out. I'm using a green pencil liner. This one's literally from e.l.f. and I'm going to use that to line my lower waterline. I'm going to pop on some mascara and lashes off of camera, and then I'll finish up the base and we'll be done. I really want to go for a more like, I don't want to say natural, just like my high shine intense look. For that, I don't know if I featured this on my YouTube channel yet. I'm going to take a cream blush. It doesn't matter what, this is literally from NYX, like it does not matter. And then a cream highlighter. This one's from Nude Sticks in the shade Illuminati, and I'm gonna mix the two on the back of my hand. Depending on the look you're going for, you're gonna go for different ratios. I like more highlighter because it's me, and then less blush. Plus, you know, the pigment of the blush is a little bit overpowering, but the highlighter will sheer it down. So I just mix it like that, and then I apply it to my high point as opposed to like the apples of my cheeks. And then I went for like a less intense blush application today. And I'm just going to take the blush, and because it's a cream, I'm just going to use this on my lips. I really don't care. I'm going to grab my Patrick Star Spring Collection lip gloss from last year. Apply that over top. Oh, we have to highlight the inner corners. I'm going to take my MAC. I'm going to take the Fashion Fanatic palette, pick up this glittery shade, and use that to highlight my inner corners. And that's it for this look. It was honestly super simple, and it looks really complicated, but it's really easy, very spring, and it's more of a dramatic spring look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.